Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Maths Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. A manufacturer sells a washing machines to a wholesaler for 15,000. The wholesaler sells it to a trader at the profit of 1,200 rupees, and the trader sells to the consumer, which is customer, at the profit of 1,800, and the VAT tax is 8%. So let's find the VAT of the manufacturer, VAT from the manufacturers. The manufacturer's amount is 15,000, so the 8% of 15,000 is 8 by 100 into 15,000. So this 15,000 divided by 100 becomes 150. So 8 times of 150 is 1,250 rupees. Now find the wholesaler sells a trader profit for rupees 1,200. So the price of the trader is 15,000 plus 1,200. 1,200 is the VAT tax, so we'll get 16,200 rupees. Now a VAT paid by the traders is equals to 8% of 16,200. So which is 8 by 100 into 16,200. So 16,200 divided by 100 becomes 162. So 8 times of 162 becomes 12,000, which is 1,296 is the VAT paid by the trader. Now find the VAT received from the wholesaler, which is 1,296 minus 1,200, which is 96 rupees. Now let's move to the second part, which is the amount that consumer pays to the machine. So the profit is 1,800. So the price of the consumer is 1,600, which is the trader price, plus 1,800, which is 18,000 rupees. So the VAT paid by the consumer, which is 8% of 18,000. So 8 divided by 100 into 18,000. So we'll get 8 times of 180 is 1,440. So the total amount paid by the customer, the consumer, the total amount paid by the consumer is rupees 18,000 plus the VAT, which is 1,440. So the total amount which was paid by the consumer is 19,440 rupees. I hope you understand this question, but thanks for watching.